Hello, everybody. Andrew Majewski here with Epicure. So we are about a week now in our Epicure USA Bootcamp. If you're not a part of that yet, I will leave the link for you guys on the bottom because it is awesome. It is so much fun. You do not have to pay anything, and I teach you guys all things Epicure because the Epicure USA is launching soon. I remember when I first started about 2 years ago, I had a lot of questions, right? Tons of questions. But the nice thing is I talk about literally every question that I have ever been asked. And if there's new ones, let me know so that I can talk about them and then I can help you because Epicure USA is launching in July. So that is very soon, less than a month away. So I teach you guys how to sell. I teach you guys how to learn about the most amazing products, how to just do everything Epicure, you know, how much commission you could make, how much things cost, customer questions, all kinds of things. And I had made a note of some questions that I had last week. And one of them was, do you have to pay for the Epicure website? No, you do not, which is so nice because the website makes it so much easier for customers to go online anytime. They can look at the online catalog anytime. They can look up products anytime. They can go shopping on the website and have it shipped to them within about 2 weeks. It usually takes a week, but I tell customers 2 weeks just in case. They can enter in their own payment info, easy, easy, easy. And that is not something that we have to pay for, which is so nice. Another question was, do consultants have to pay per month or per year to stay active? No, we do not. The main thing is that you need to sell $250 worth of Epicure products before tax every 3 months. But that's easy. I have had no problem doing that. Even when I place my own orders, you know, I put those towards that sales amount that we need to have every 3 months. Because how I see it is, you guys, everybody has to eat, right? Everybody has to eat. So why not make your eating more exciting? You know, herbs, seasonings, spices, cookware, dips, all kinds of things, right? So Epicure has all of that. So I tell all of my customers, all of my potential customers, instead of going to the store for your, you know, seasonings, your popcorn seasonings, your cookware, you know, everything, ask me if I have it first because I have something that is so much healthier. So that's what I do. And it's not hard to make that quota of $250 every 3 months. If you don't think you are able to do that, talk to me first and I can help you with that. Trust me. If I can do it, you can do it. I am just a normal person. I work full time. I am a mobile dental hygienist where I go to patients' houses and clean their teeth. But I am busy, you guys. I am busy. So if I can teach, train, and sell Epicure, trust me, you can sell Epicure, okay? Trust me. And the nicest thing is, this is just so much healthier for you and for your family. And trust me, food will taste so much better with a little seasoning here, a little seasoning there. The nice thing is too, is that if you have to be salt conscious or no salt because of your, you know, health issues or something, Epicure has that. We have things to just make things so much easier. What was another question? How can I sign up? So you just have to contact me. I will leave either my website or my email for you guys on the bottom. There's lots of ways, or just comment to contact me and then I would sign you up. It's that easy. If you sign up under me, you will also be sent some free product credit. So why not? So when you are part of the Epicure USA launch in July, you will also get free product credit. Who doesn't like free products, right? So let me know. And the nice thing is, you guys, I'm always here to help you. I am here online. If you have any questions, you can just ask me anytime. Plus, Epicure has amazing customer service. So you have pretty much all of us. But I can teach you guys products. I can teach you how to sell, how not to sell, because there is a right way and a wrong way of doing it. But just think, in a way too, you're not selling Epicure, you are sharing the fact that you love Epicure because you can eat a lot healthier. Eating becomes more exciting when things taste better. You save so much money for not eating out every single night because you don't know what to cook. We can help you with all of that. What was the other questions? Yes, so I did talk about how to sign up and when to sign up. So when I know when I can sign you up, I will let you all know. Trust me. So I do mention that inside the Epicure USA boot camp. So as I said, if you're not in there yet, have a look because I will be sharing all updates with you. But sign up should be probably first week of July. They haven't told us the exact date yet because this is a new thing, right? Epicure USA is new, but they do say by July the 8th, and you will be sent a catalog as well, so you can get excited. The nice thing too is that Epicure USA will also be offering a digital catalog the end of this month. At least that's what they say, so I hope they're right on that. I know that they do have one because I've seen some pictures of it, so when I get it, you will all have it too. So let me know if you would like one. This is really exciting, you guys. You have nothing to lose. At the very least, you can purchase the kit because it's normally $400 worth of products for about $175-ish. So you can keep it all for yourself if you want, or sell it and make some money. So let me help you guys, okay? I am so happy to do it. Thank you guys so much for listening, and stay tuned for the next video.